Welcome to the Matrox booth at Sharp's Competence Days 2025. My name is Katrin Kerber and I'm representative for the Polish market. And I'm happy to present you the most flexible and open standards-based AV over IP solutions that are currently on the market. And we basically start with two worlds. We have open standards in terms of AV distribution and conversion together with KVM, based on IPMX and SMPTE 2110 open specification. Keyword is compression is no longer a must. You have choices. I'm using a switch here, of course, to do also the mix of compressed and uncompressed workflow. And then, of course, on this side, we also have H.264, a very popular common way of doing AV distribution. And we can actually make the connection between two worlds now, because as you realized, this stream is an IPMX stream that I'm putting in the network, and I'm using my little IP gateway to produce an H.264 stream for it to put it up on the video wall. So no longer barriers, no longer limitations on where you bring the video. As soon as it is an IP, Matrox can handle it.